Hello, and in this video we'll use the new unique function with 3 different examples. Make sure to stay until the end as they will get increasingly difficult. Let's go! In our first demo, we have a list of staff with amount of sales and dates. Some agents sold multiple policies, so they are listed more than once. We want to extract a list with these names only once, and the unique function can do this very easily. First, type equal unique, and the first question is the array, which is basically where is the list of unique names that we want in return. We'll select the first column. It's up to you to select the header or not. Then, do you want to sort by columns? Since the names are listed in each of the rows, the answer is no. We do not want to sort by columns, but only by rows. Let's close the parentheses, and we only have 5 agents in the list. If you look carefully, when using this function, the results are inside of a blue frame. This is because they are a dynamic array. In very simple terms, an array is a group of values stored in a single cell. Also, if we accidentally write on top of any of these cells, we get the spell error. A workaround is to copy the results and paste them as values. This might be helpful if you need to calculate more things later on. Another cool feature about unique is the option to extract values that appear just once. If we sort this list alphabetically, either with the sort function in the Home tab or with the shortcut Alt-A-S-A, Mary Potter is here just once. So we'll use the unique function almost the same way. Equal unique, the array is a staff column, false since we are sorting by rows, but this time we'll select true for values that appear only once. Close and enter. This time we got Mary Potter and it is correct. In the last example, we want to extract the unique agent names as well as their unique transaction dates. And before we start with the last example, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. For example, Daniel, Jim, and Rebecca have repeated dates, and we want to extract one unique name and date. When writing the function, we start with the first array or the agents column. Then we will use the ampersands to separate the agents and the date columns. Make sure to enter the quotes in between with a separator. In this case, we use a dash, but you can choose anything you want. The function worked, except that it gave me the numeric values of dates. Not very helpful in here. We'll fix this by wrapping the dates inside a text function. After the last ampersand, type text, open parentheses, and the first question is what do we want to transform? Column C for short. Then a comma. Then format text is how do you want to transform these numbers? We'll enter inside the quotes the month, day, and year format. Close another parenthesis and enter. Let's check that Daniel should have one row for January 3rd, Jim and Rebecca another one for June 2nd. Thank you for watching, and don't forget your list of 26 Excel shortcuts in the link below. Thank you once again.